What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Today we're going on another adventure with Jerry. Where are we going?
Up? So we're gonna go to the Amazon spheres. Alright, we're able to get in just because of this guy right here. He's got the hookups. It's gonna be my first time there, me and Audrey's. It's your second time, right?
Yeah, it's my second time.
Yeah. So it's gonna be cool. So he's gonna lead us there. We're gonna take good pictures.
Yep.
And yeah.
So this is what the spheres look like. We're gonna cross the street and go right in. Alright, so we just got in. And they give you this little...
It's official, guys. We are guests and Hui is our host.
Yes.
So
They said that we can't touch anything.
it's like Westworld. We're guests and you're hosts. You know, that's like,
And that if we
that's a weird.
stray away from Hui, we'll get in trouble.
Yes. Daddy daycare.
So if you have an Amazon employee with you, you can come anytime between Monday to Friday. I think the hours are like 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. But if you don't have anyone that works at Amazon that you know, then you can reserve on Saturday. I think it's the first and third week of every month. You just got to do that in advance. So.
Yeah. So have connections, hookups, or you can go to the bottom floor, which is just for public access. But dude, it's not as
It's
grand
not
as
cool
this.
as this, so.
Let's go check it out.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Baby. Baby.
So we've been walking around for the last 15 minutes, taking some cool picture. I'm gonna enter in right here for you guys. But technically this is like a greenhouse, so it's super hot right now and humid. And we're like sweaty, can't see in the camera. What do you think about it so far? Hold on.
It's really cool.
It's really cool. Thanks, Hui, for taking us, especially me. There's a good lot of, you
Getting
know,
some dope pictures.
dope
in here.
pictures. We're looking at a lot of plants from different not different,
There's only one word, bro.
different places of the world. That's what I'm trying to say. You know, countries, Indonesia, South America.
Alright, stop talking, let's take pictures.
Oh, we forgot to mention also that there is a coffee shop slash donut shop on
Yeah.
the second level, which will
Second level is pretty cool. They had a Kyoto style iced coffee, which is pretty cool. Yeah, we'll check it out. All right.
No matter what you do, you gotta stay hydrated, right, Jerry?
Yeah, it's hot in here.
So this place has 4 floors, and we are going on the 4th floor right now. The top floor. Yeah, because the heat rises up. So the further you go up,
Oh, there's that sign.
yeah, that's the sphere. So the higher you go up, the hotter it is. And it's bright.
Alright, so we're on the top floor, and this is where the AC is. This is where you need to be to cool off.
Yeah, or you can just go on the bottom level where it's just not as hot as this.
Yeah.
Like the bottom level.
Okay, let's go down.
You got some mist. You didn't get, it doesn't look like there's any mist coming
Do
out,
your rain dance.
but that's pretty cool.
Yo, what's good, everybody? We just got out of the sphere. Now we're about to head out and check out Amazon Go. Concept is actually I'm not too sure. Let's have the pro at it. All right, this is new for me. What is
So Amazon Go is a concept store where there's no cashier. You scan your app, you go in, grab any item, you walk out. kind of like feel like stealing, you know. But yeah, that's what it is.
So me and Jerry don't have the app. He has the app.
So
We're
that's
gonna pick up a bunch of stuff, and who's gonna pay for it?
if I like pick up an item, and then it should be in my cart.
I'm thirsty. I'm gonna grab this.
Yeah, grab it.
Let's see what happens. Is it in your cart?
Pure Leaf's a good one. I like that.
So what I just explained was before it used to show up in your cart after you pick up an item, but now it won't show up. So you just put your grab and go, and then it's gonna send you a bill on your Amazon account.
Yeah, it's cool. It's out. Sorry, I was just kind of processing what you're trying to say, but like, dude, like it's weight sensor, like based. So like this is in our cart now, but you know, we can go out,
But
put
he
it back
doesn't want
in.
it. And so we don't get charged
Ooh,
for
it's
it.
not in our cart. Like let's say if I put it there, they'll get notified, and it's not in our cart. Yeah, it's cool. Simple as that.
Amazon has the meal prep kits now too.
Nice.
Alright guys, that concludes our video for our Amazon adventure for today. We are rushing back to get to the car right now because our parking expired 5 minutes ago.
But you know, we got this.
But anyway, thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button.
Don't forget to keep winning at life.
Yes, and have a great day. Have a great week. Hope it's bountiful and it is good. Peace.